Hi children, good morning. Listen here children. So far we have learnt the letters based on standing line and sleeping line. Okay, standing line and sleeping line. Based on these two lines we have learnt the letters. Now let us see what are the letters we have learnt based on these two lines. Okay, first look at me. So now see here, this is a standing line, sleeping line, letter L. So we have learned the capital letters. Capital letters. Now first letter is L. Next, sleeping line, then a standing line. So this is letter T. So you all know to write these letters. We have written this letter in the classwork and homework. So sleeping line, and in the center one standing line, this is letter T. Okay, now look at the board, see here, sleeping standing line, next here one standing line, and you are join the both lines using a sleeping line. See here, standing line, and this side one standing line, and now see here in the center we are joining them with the sleeping line. Okay, H. Okay, now see here, next letter. So now tell me, this is a standing line. Okay, at the top you are drawing a sleeping line, in the center there is a sleeping line which is little small, and at the bottom, top and bottom, sleeping line. In the center also there is a sleeping line which is little smaller. Okay, now letter E. Now next, see here, standing line, at the top one sleeping line, center one standing sleeping line. Okay, now see here children, standing line, sleeping line at the top, and in the center there is a small sleeping line. Okay, letter F. Okay, what is this letter? This is letter F. Okay, now next, see here, next there is a sleeping line. Now see, in the center you are drawing a standing line. This is letter T. At the bottom, see, now we are drawing a sleeping line. This is letter I. Okay, now these are the 6 words which we learnt based on these two standing and sleeping lines. Standing line, sleeping line. Okay, so these are the 6 letters which we have learnt based on these lines. Now we are going to revise the words. So now see here in your alphabet book, L. So what, now you have to look at the picture and tell me. L for lion, L for leaf, next L for lamp, L for lock, next L for lotus. This is our national flower. Okay, last one is L for lemon. Okay, so first you are seeing and telling all these. First you are seeing the pictures and telling me what is this. Okay, after one next month, see here, so after 1 month what you should do, I will ask to write this letter. So you should write this letter and you should tell these words without seeing. Okay, so if I ask you to write L, okay, you write L and tell me the words related to L. Means L for lion, L for leaf, L for lamp, L for lock, L for lotus, L for lemon. Without seeing you should tell me, without opening the book. Okay, so without opening this book you should tell me. Okay, now next one, see here, this is letter T. T for tiger, T for tiger, T for tomato, T for toes, T for top, T for tortoise, T for table. Okay, now these words also you know to write these letter, and you know to see the picture and tell me what is this. Okay, now what you should do is you should write. Okay, when I am telling you, you should write. So now see here, this line, sleeping line, standing line, at the bottom one sleeping line. This is letter I. I for igloo. I words, okay. Ink pot. I for iguana. I for India. I for insect. I for infant. Okay, children. So you know all these words and you know everything. So without seeing, you should try. Okay, without seeing these pictures, you should try to say. Then I'll see how many words you are saying. See here, how many words are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 words. 6 H words are there, which are starting with letter H. So I'll see how many words you are saying. H, write H. If I tell you to write H, you should write H and you should say these words. Okay, H for house, H for hat, H for hen, H for hand, H for hammer, H for horse. Okay. So these are the H words. Okay, now next we'll see the next letter. This is letter F. Okay, there is a sleeping line, standing line at the sleeping line at the top, and second in the center there is a sleeping line which is little smaller. Okay, now see here children, this is a standing line, the top you have a sleeping line, and next there is a small sleeping line. Okay, now see here, F for fish, F for fish, next F for fairy, next F for fan, F for feathers, F for fig, F for fox. Okay, these are the F words. Okay, next letter, see here, this is letter E. E for elephant, E for egg, E for engine, E for Eskimo, E for elf, E for elbow. Okay, so you should write this word and tell these words, E words, without seeing children. Okay, you try. Okay, now we have finished all these 6 letters. So you know to write all these letters. And next is, see here, now we are learning the slanting line. So see here children, this is the right slanting line. Right slanting line, and this is the left slanting line. So you should know to draw these two slanting lines. So we'll be learning slanting lines and you should write these lines, and next we learn the letters based on these. Okay, so letters based on these lines. See here, for example, see letter A. So letter A, you see here is a slanting line. Right slanting line, left slanting. See here, this is right slanting line, this is left slanting line. See here, see 2 slanting lines are here. These are the 2 slanting lines, and here your sleeping line. This is letter A. So like these letters, slanting line, based on these slanting lines, we'll be learning the letters. So what you should do, you should know to draw the slanting line. Nalla slanting line. Okay, you should draw neatly. Okay children, so now after this, what we have learned children, so you know to draw the shapes. So we have learnt about the shapes. So do you remember children, do you remember the shapes? What are the shapes we learnt? Do you remember? Okay, now see here, we have learnt many shapes and you all know to draw the shapes. First, what shape is this children? This is a circle. Okay, circle. So you have to tell me what are the objects you see in this circle shape. For example, ball. Okay, next, see here, biscuit. These are all in circle shape. Now next what you should do is, see here, there is a sleeping line. You see here, there is a sleeping line here. And here there is a curve. This is semicircle, half circle. Okay, semicircle. Okay, based on these we have learnt many objects. Now see here, semicircle, purse. The purse you may have in the semicircle shape. Okay, then when you cut the watermelon pieces, it will be like this. Okay. Okay, now next one, see here, this is the square shape. Okay, now tell me how many sides are there in the square? 1, 2, 3, 4 sides are there in the square. Okay, all the sides are equal. See, ella same are equal. All the sides are equal in the square. So you should know to draw the square. Now rectangle. Next, see here, rectangle, opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides means, see, these are the opposite sides. They too are equal. See here, same, long. They are long. We have learnt long and short. See here, long. Okay, now see this opposite side, they are short. Okay, these two are same and these two opposite sides are same. 4 sides are there and opposite sides are same in a rectangle. Okay, children, so you know to draw the rectangle also. Now next shape what we have learned, see, you draw like this letter C. Then another one C inside. This is a crescent shape. Crescent shape. So you might have seen the moon in this shape. Okay, moon. Okay, now next is star shape. See, it's a triangle shape. Triangle shape we'll see first. See here, this is a triangle. How many sides are there in the triangle? So you should count. See here, 1, 2, 3. How many sides are there in the triangle, children? 3 sides are there. 1, 2, 3 sides are there. And name some objects in triangle shape means. So what will you say? So you can say a tent. Tent is in this shape. Then samosa. Okay. Like that you should name the objects in triangle shape. Okay. Next you have to draw the star shape. Now see here, for star shape first you draw the triangle. Okay. First you are drawing the triangle for the star shape. And now what you should do, see here, upside down again you draw a triangle. This is a star shape. Okay, star shape. Next is diamond shape. See here, so slanting lines. Now see here, the slanting line is coming. See here, for diamond shape, see here, all the slanting lines, right slanting line and left slanting line, they are coming. This is a diamond shape. Okay, what shape is this? Diamond shape. And next one, see here, this is the oval shape. Oval shape, name the objects in oval shape. Oval shape you have learnt how to draw the oval shape. See here, now look at the board, oval shape. So you have already, so now see here. So you can't see the board, oval shape I have drawn here. Okay, oval shape, you know you must draw this oval shape. Egg is in this oval shape. Okay, mirror, egg. Okay, these are all in this oval shape. Okay, now last shape is heart shape. Now write like this, V, slanting line. See here, slanting line now we are learning, isn't it? So based on this slanting line only you are now drawing this line and drawing this shape. See here. Okay, curve. This is a heart shape, oval shape, circle, semicircle, square, rectangle, crescent shape, triangle, star shape and diamond shape. So what you should do is, you should draw all these shapes. You should know to draw all these shapes. These are very easy. So you draw all these shapes, you must know to draw this shape also. Next what we learned, children? Next what did we learn? Now you know to write number 1 and 2. So see here, number 1, see you are drawing a standing line. This is number 1. Okay, number 1. So for number 1, you draw one object. So I am drawing a square, one square. How many squares are there? One square. So 1, you know to write 1, you know to draw the shape also. Okay, for number 1, one object you should draw. Next, you know to write number 2 also, children. See here, number 2, you know to draw this curve, isn't it? You know to draw this curve. So see here, I am drawing a curve like this. Okay, right curve, see here, right curve and a sleeping line. Okay, this is number 2. Now I am drawing two triangles. See here, count the triangles. 1, 2. So two triangles are there for this number. So what you should do, you should know to write the number also, and you should know to draw the objects also. So for how many numbers? See, you should see what number is given there, and you should draw so many objects. Okay, so we have learned 1 and 2. Then what else did we learn? Children? We learned about that Tamil. In Tamil you learned உயிரெழுத்துக்கள். So you must know to tell, you must know to look at the book and read. You don't want to write, you don't want to write now, but you have to write after learning all the curves. You must write these words. Now see here, first you are going to oral, saying this, seeing the picture you are going to tell me. Now இது என்ன எழுத்து? உயிரெழுத்துக்கள்ல ஆனா முதல் எழுத்து அ அம்மா, அ அம்மா, அ அப்பா, அ அன்னம். சரியா? இப்படி சொல்லணும். அப்புறம் இது என்ன எழுத்துன்னு சொல்லணும். ஆ ஆடு, ஆமை, ஆந்தை. ஆ ஆடு, ஆ ஆமை, ஆ ஆந்தை. Okay, now next letter இது இ. இ இலை, இ இறகு, இ இஞ்சி. இப்படி சொல்லணும் நீங்க. சரியா? இந்த லெட்டரை எழுத வேண்டாம். இப்போ நீங்க இந்த லெட்டரை ரீட் பண்ணி இந்த வேர்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் சொல்லணும். இப்போ இங்க பாருங்க, ஈ. ஈக்கு என்ன வந்திருக்கு? ஈ, ஈ ஈட்டி, ஈ ஈசல். சரியா? இப்படி சொல்லணும். ஈ ஈசல், ஈ ஈசல், ஈ ஈட்டி எல்லாமே சொல்லிடணும். அதுக்கு அடுத்தது நெக்ஸ்ட் பேஜில் இங்கே பாருங்க, உ. இந்த டூ மாதிரி இருக்கா? டூ மாதிரி. இங்கே பாருங்க, உ உலகம், உ உரல், உ உண்டியல். சரியா? உ உலகம், உ உரல், உ உண்டியல். அடுத்தது என்ன எழுத்து? ஊ. ஊ ஊஞ்சல், ஊதல், ஊ ஊசி. சரியா? இதில் கீழே பாருங்கள், அந்த எழுத்து வருதா? இந்த எழுத்து வருது பார்த்தீங்களா? எல்லாத்துலேயுமே இந்த ஊவண்ணா வருது. இது ஊவண்ணா வச்சு வர எழுத்து. அடுத்து வந்து ஏ, எலி. இது என்னது? எலி. பிக்சர் பார்த்து சொல்லுங்கள். இது ஏ, எறும்பு. அடுத்து ஏ, எருது. சரியா? நெக்ஸ்ட் என்னது? ஏ, ஏரி, ஏனி, ஏ, ஏர். அதே மாதிரி இதை நம்ம ஆல்ஃபபெட் புக் மாதிரி இதுவும் நீங்கள் கொஞ்ச நாள் கழித்து, ஒரு 1 month கழித்து நீங்கள் பார்க்காம சொல்லணும். மிஸ்ஸு ஆ வேர்ட்ஸ் சொல்லு அப்படின்னா, அ அம்மா, அ அப்பா, அ அன்னம். இதை வந்து நீங்கள் புக்கை பார்க்காம சொல்லணும். ஓகேயா? அடுத்தது வந்து என்னது? அடுத்த லெட்டர் வந்து ஐ. ஐ படிக்குமா? இங்கே பாருங்கள், ஐயில் ஐவர். 5 பேர் இருக்காங்கல்ல, ஐவர். இது 5, 50. ஐ ஐவர், ஐ 5, ஐ 50. சரி, நெக்ஸ்ட் இது என்னது? ஓ 1, ஓ ஒட்டகம், ஓ 9. சரியா? இப்போ இந்த ஓனாக்கும் ஓவன்னாக்கும் ஒரு சின்ன டிஃப்ரென்ஸ் தான். கீழே ஒரு சர்க்கிள் போட்டிருக்கு பாருங்கள். 2 லெட்டரும் சேமாக தான் இருக்குது. கீழே ஒரு சர்க்கிள் போட்டிருக்கு ஓவன்னா. இப்போ ஓவன்னாக்கு என்ன வருது? ஓனான், ஓடம், ஓ ஓடம், ஓ ஓநாய். சரியா? ஓ ஓநாய். அடுத்துங்க பாருங்க, அவ். அவ்வில் என்ன வருது? அவ்வை. அதுக்கடுத்து ஔடதம். சரியா? அடுத்து அக்கன்னா ஆயுத எழுத்து. இது வரைக்கும் உயிரெழுத்துக்கள் 12 எழுத்து முடிச்சிருது. இது வந்து ஆயுத எழுத்து. இந்த 3 புள்ளி வச்சிருக்கு பார்த்தீங்களா? இது ஆயுத எழுத்து. இந்த ஆயுத எழுத்து வருது பாருங்கள், நடுவில் வருது பாருங்கள், எக்கு வாள். இந்த வாள் எக்கு வாளில் நடுவில் வருது பாருங்கள், அக்கன்னா. சரியா? ஸோ இது வந்து ஓரல் வந்து நீங்கள் பார்க்காம சொல்லிடணும். ஓரல் சொல்லிடணும், பார்க்காம சொல்லணும். ட்ரை, இப்போமே ட்ரை பண்ணுங்க. ஓகே, தென் what else did we learn? Okay children, what else did we learn? We learned about the different parts of our body. Okay, what are the different parts of the body? head, eyes, ears, nose, mouth, teeth, tongue, hand, legs, neck, chest. So you know all the body parts. Okay. Now what you should do is you should name the use of the different body parts. Okay. For what purpose you are using. Okay. Now first I'll ask you, what is the use of eyes? If I ask you like that, means you should tell I this. What is the use of eyes? Eyes for seeing. So we see with the eyes. We see with the eyes. Okay, what is the use of ears? Ears for hearing. So what you are saying, I am hearing. What I am telling, you are listening and hearing. Okay, so hearing. Next, what is the nose? What is the use of nose? Nose is used for smelling. So there is good smell and bad smell, pleasant smell and unpleasant smell. Pleasant means good smell, unpleasant means bad smell. So you can smell all the smell by this nose. Okay. Next, what is it? Hand. Hands for writing. Okay. Hands for writing and eating. Okay. Now what is the use of legs, children? Legs we use for walking. We use for walking. Okay. Now what is the use of mouth? Mouth. What is the use of mouth? Okay. You eat your food. Okay. Next, what is the use of your, what is it? Tongue. Tongue. So you taste different types of food. Some taste you like, some taste you do not like. So how you tell, I don't like this, I don't like this food, I like this food? Depends on your taste. Taste, it is from the tongue. Okay, tongue is used for tasting. Okay, children. Okay, these we have learnt. And next, what you should do? You should be thorough with all these. And next we have learned the vegetables also. Vegetables which are growing in the soil, inside the soil. Okay, for example, carrot, beetroot, radish, turnip. Okay, these are all the vegetables which goes under the soil. Under the soil. Mannukulla valarda. So these are the vegetables which are growing under the soil. And next, the fruit vegetables we have learnt, pumpkin, brinjal, tomato. Okay, these are all fruit vegetables. Leafy vegetables we have learnt, what is it? Cabbage, lettuce. Okay, we have learnt spinach, coriander. Okay, when I ask name the leafy vegetables, means you should tell the names of the particular vegetables. Okay. Okay, children, thank you very much. Okay, we'll see you in tomorrow's class. Thank you very much.